morning, friends. Welcome to Surana Farm, Mavli. It's a beautiful morning here. I was told to speak something about planet sustainability, but I think it will be a vast topic for me. So what I can do is I can speak something about self-sustainable farmhouse, or you can also say this organic farmhouse. Self-sustainable itself means you have to be self-dependent for each and everything what you need in your farmhouse. Few things which run your farmhouse smoothly is your electricity, your water, your irrigation system, power generation, fertilizer, seeds. These are the few basic things which make your farm self-sustainable. During this lockdown period after 22nd March, when lockdown was announced in India, most of the time I spent it here in farmhouse and learned many things about self-sustainability and about organic farming. Organic farming and self-sustainability goes parallel. Both are parallel tracks. Without self-sustainability, sustainable farmhouse, your farmhouse could not be organic. So we have power generation here. Almost 2 solar systems are installed here by Jain Irrigation Company. 5,000 kilowatt each capacity of each solar plant. We have overhead tank over there, so irrigation is done by gravitational force. We have open well on this side, so this channel is designed in such a way that for water, electricity, we don't have to depend on any of the government agency or anybody from outside. Second thought process which came in my mind was to get some livestock here, some cows here, so that we get fertilizer from here, and some part of labor we can get contribution from these cows. We sell milk or ghee outside, and this way we have our own manure, fertilizer, and we have self-sustainable labor system. So these cows graze freely here. Almost we have 25 indigenous cows, Gir cows. Full day they are grazed freely in the farmhouse. So cleaning process is done automatically. They have a lot of grass to eat. Whatever they want to eat, they can eat. What they require, they eat. It is also important part. What they require, they eat. So this way we get our own fertilizer. We don't have to depend on any of the fertilizer or chemical or mineral from outside. Everything they eat, which is what is produced here, and in return we get fertilizer. We are also in process of setting up a gobar gas plant over there near where the cows stay in the night time. After this gobar gas plant, we have overhead tank, what I told you earlier also. Apart from all these, we also have our own seed system. For example, this year what we have grown, we will keep those seeds for next year also. We will not sell the quantity required for the seeds, we will not sell in the market. Mostly what farmers do is they buy seeds from outside which are medically treated, and somehow in organic farming I don't think so it's viable or good for organic farming. Last year we planted almost 10,000 plants here and created a jungle. We named this jungle as Roundtable India Jungle 1, and out of 10,000 plants we think that 80% survival rate is there, 80 or 70%, which is, we can say it is a good number. Just 30% mortality is adjustable in this type of big size jungle. This is the place which is on the top of this farmhouse. The contour was set like this, that this is a height and hilly area. So we have created a water body here, and by gravitational force, water is being irrigated everywhere in the farmhouse. Every corner of the farmhouse gets water from here. It is a big size tank. And one more thing which I will like to tell you about the self-sustainable farmhouse is, for fixed expenses is only one part, which is labor. For fixed expenses you have to do something. Fixed crop means you can plant some orchard so that you can get revenue throughout the year and every year. So we have done lemon orchard, almost 2000 plants are there. Lemon trees are here. 4 years have already been passed. Now fruiting has been started, and few different exotic plants are there. Some chiku is there, anjeer is there, jamun. We have 500 jamuns, 500 plus mango trees. So these fixed plants, this orchard can meet your running expenses, labor expenses, and you can earn something also. Thank you. Hope in this small video I was able to make you understand about the self-sustainable farmhouse. If you have any queries or questions, you can directly ask me on my mobile number or message me directly. Thank you.